Right now, sitting in the chair, you're outnumbered. Inside the body you call yours, there are around 38 trillion bacteria, and a bit more than half of every cell you're carrying isn't human at all. Here's the strange part. For 40 years, the number everyone repeated for this was flat wrong, and the real one is stranger. Let's actually count. Scientists at the Weizmann Institute added it up properly in 2016 from real cell data for a standard reference body, your own cells, about 30 trillion. The bacteria living on and inside you, about 38 trillion. So it isn't even close to a fair fight, but it's closer than you'd ever guess. Bacteria to human cells, the ratio is roughly 1.3 to 1, give or take about a quarter. Basically, 1 to 1. A tie. Now, maybe you've heard a different number. 10 to 1. 10 bacteria for every human cell. It's in textbooks, TDD talks, magazine covers. Where did it come from? One scientist, back in 1972, did a rough back-of-the-envelope estimate. One guess. Everybody quoted it, nobody rechecked it, for about 40 years. It wasn't measured. It was a rumor wearing a lab coat. But here's the twist that really gets me. Look at your half. There are 30 trillion human cells. About 84% of them are red blood cells, little disks that carry oxygen and threw out their own nucleus to do it. So the part of you that thinks, the neurons, the skin, the muscle, the UEST parts of you are a slim minority inside your own body. You're outnumbered by bacteria and outnumbered by your own blood. So if there are that many bacteria, they must weigh a ton, right? Put them all on a scale, about 0.2 of a kilogram. But wait, roughly one apple. That's it. 38 trillion of them, and together they are a snack. Because a single bacterium is thousands of times tinier than one of your cells. They win on numbers and lose on mass, badly. And the score isn't even fixed. X-wings. The same paper points out something wonderfully undignified. Every time you use the bathroom, number 2, you flush out a quarter to a third of your bacteria. For a few minutes afterward, your own human cells are actually in the majority. So the most human you will ever be, cell for cell, is right after you poop. Enjoy it. The bacteria grow back by lunch. One honest note, so nobody oversells this. These trillions are for a standard reference body, a 20-year-old, 70-kilo man. Your number is different, maybe half this, maybe double. And no, this doesn't mean the bacteria secretly run your brain. That's a whole other story nobody has actually proven. What's true is just this. The line between you and not to is way blurrier than a mirror lets on. You are a tie, a truce. A whole ecosystem walking around thinking it's a single person. So, genuinely, after all that, do you feel like one thing or a crowd? Tell me in the comments.